Well, we're nice and dry during the storm here at Boatyard San Diego. Got a new flybridge wire up. Not a single wire when we started. And when we don't have anything or other trades impeding us, and we can take over the whole flybridge, this is what electrical and electronic madness looks like. Maybe a little hydraulic steering as well. But you can see we have all the surfaces protected. And can't get much more efficient than that. If we had to do this at the end of the dock, it would be 4 times as long. Takes quite a while. We started with no wires, and as you can see, we've got a lot of wires.